Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to introduce you with ORT reader and its name is Look at Me. Okay students, this is the title page of the reader. Look at me. Here you can see that the boy whose name is Chip, he is not riding a bicycle in a proper way. He is showing tricks while riding a bicycle, and you can see that his feet are above the front tire instead of touching the pedals, and Floppy is also running besides him. On page number 1 we can see that Chip is riding the bicycle without holding handlebars, and Mum is standing behind him and watching him that how he is riding a bicycle. Okay, let's read this page. Look at me, mum. Look at me, mum. On page number 2 and 3, Chip is riding a bicycle in an unsafe way. He is riding a bicycle by not sitting properly on it, and we can see that Mum and Floppy are worried to see his dangerous way of riding a bicycle. Okay, let's read these pages. Look at me, mum. Look at me, mum. Look at me on my bike. Look at me on my bike. Here on page number 4 and 5 we can see that Chip is riding a bicycle very fast, and on his way there is a big slope, but he does not care about this. So here Mum and Floppy both are worried for him. Okay, let's read these lines. Look at me, Mum. Look at me on my bike. Now on page number 6 and 7, Chip is riding a bicycle through a puddle and made his mom's clothes dirty, and Floppy ran away to save itself from mud. Okay, let's read these lines. Look at me, Mum. Oh no. On page number 8 we can see that Mum and Floppy are standing. Mum is saying to Chip that you made my clothes dirty, and Chip is laughing to see her mother in muddy clothes. Okay, let's read. Look at me. Okay students, after reading this reader, now there is an assignment for you, that there are some questions and you have to answer them. Question number 1, what is Chip doing? Answer: Chip is riding a bicycle without holding handlebars. Question number 2, what is Mum doing? Answer: Mum is standing behind Chip and watching him. Question number 3, how is Chip riding a bicycle? Answer: Chip is riding a bicycle unsafely. Question number 4, what is he doing on a bicycle? Answer: he is doing tricks while riding a bicycle. Question number 5, how is Chip riding the bicycle on this page? Answer: Chip is riding the bicycle very speedily. Question number 6, what happened to Mum's clothes? Answer. Chip was riding his bicycle speedily, so he splashed dirty water on Mum's clothes. Dear mothers, these are just simple questions and answers. Students may answer in their own words. Now, come towards the vocabulary words. Here are some words in front of you. Okay, let's read them. Number 1, look. Number 2, at. Number 3, me. Number 4, mum. Number 5, on. Number 6, my. Number 7, bike. Number 8, oh. Number 9, no. Okay, students, now your assignment is this, that you have to learn these vocabulary words with spellings. Thank you.